Welcome back to another message crawler update. But today we are not talking about text messages at all. What are we talking about? A Dir List Utility. Why am I talking about Dir List Utility? Well, because I built one and I put it into message crawler. Why is it there? I don't know, because every application should be able to make Dir list of files and let you do things with them. So let me take you to a screen and show you what I've built. Come on, let's go. Okay, here's my screen. Here you see message crawler. We don't care about anything on the screen right now. All we care about is tool. We're gonna go to miscellaneous tools, directory list. This is directory list where we can make directory lists. Okay, let's make one. Okay, so we have a starting folder. We're gonna create a dir list. Bam, we got a list. We have our full path. We have a directory name. We have our file name. We have a file size, dates. We have everything we need for a directory list. Oh, wait, I know. We're missing one thing. I know you're saying this directory list isn't forensic enough. What do we need to make directory list forensic? Hash values, of course. So let's click on the checkbox, generate hash values for files, generate a new list, and bam, we got a directory list with hash values, but not just any hash values. We're not using MD5 hash values. We're not using SHA. We all know those have been hacked and we're not going to use them. We're using SHA 256. Those are secure, awesome hash values. There they are. So what else can we do with this list? Well, when you have files, records, you want to start tagging things, right? This is not a review software, but still, we want to tag things. So let's tag by a field. We're going to pick an extension and say, all right, let's find all the text files. All right, so I'm going to do tag from an input box, and I'm going to put txt, and I say, okay. So now a directory list application is going to find all the text records and put a check mark next to them. Okay, you feeling lazy? Okay, let's select log and PDF, Control C, and I'm going to say tag from clipboard. Bam, all the logs and PDFs have been added to our tag. Now they're all there. What else can we do with this? Well, we can also tag from a file. You can make a list of document extensions or anything you want, like even file names. There's no restriction here. You can, in fact, if you want to, you can go by file size. I don't know why you would, but you could. So what other things you can do in here? Well, there is a button right here called tag duplicates. So we can use a field to find duplicates by that field. So if I click on that, well, I'm going to find duplicates by document extension. That's not terribly helpful, but what is helpful, we generate a hash value, right? So if we click on that and then we say tag duplicates, now we can scroll over here and bam, we see that this file we already had that before. So we can find duplicates by any field we want. Again, we can pick a file name if we want to. So let's go with name, find duplicates, and we got similar situation where this file, this file, and this file already existed before. So that's useful. What else can we do with this? Well, once you have your directory list, you work with it, you tag it, you figure things out, you want to do a bit of filtering, right? So you say, okay, well, just give me all the tag records, right? Anything that I've tagged or did not tag, all right? And now we can take this and export this to a DAT file. Now, I'm sure you know what the DAT file is going to look like. It's going to be just that and a DAT file. That's not interesting. But while I was here, I figured the other thing people want to do is when they work with the dir list, they also want to copy files over. So why don't we copy some files over? So now I've tagged these. I'm going to grab a path and I'm going to say, okay, paste it right here. And before we're going to hit the copy button, number of threads. That's right, this copying is multi-threaded. You got a user interface and a multi-threaded copying. How awesome is that? So we can choose how many files to copy at the same time. Like if you really want to piss off your network administrator, you set this to 100 and you copy it to a network server. That'll just kill all the traffic on your network. Yeah, try that. So we're just going to stick with 10 and I'm going to hit copy files. And what do you know? Copying is already done. Well, this was a small folder. So now we received our destination path. So we know where we copied this to. And again, we can export this to a DAT file so we could work with these files. And we even got a new hash value of the destination. The destination file got hashed. So now you could sit there and compare hash values and be all forensic. Okay? And the status of the copying we have done. If the copying were to fail, we would not get a destination file and we would not get the copy status in the field. So that is my directory list tool that's built into message crawler. Now the question on your mind, can I use it? Can I have it? Is this a paid thing? No. Here is the thing. I'm going to include this into Message Crawler, and it's going to be an unlocked feature. So if you download trial version of Message Crawler, the one that's locked doesn't have all the features, this feature will be unlocked. So you can download it and use it as much as you want. This feature is included, absolutely free. Just go to my website, grab a copy, and off you go. Anyway, that's my update. I had too much caffeine. I'll see you guys later. Bye.